Want to make your Canva project truly yours? Whether you're editing for social media, YouTube, or a client presentation, using your own photos, videos, and audio makes all the difference. In this video, I'll show you how to upload, organize, and manage your personal media in Canva, even from Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. Let's get straight into it. While Canva offers thousands of stock resources, nothing beats personal content. Your own brand images, blogs, testimonials, or voiceovers add authenticity and consistency. This is especially useful for creators, coaches, business owners, and educators who want to maintain their brand voice and identity across all visuals. Create a new design or go to an existing design that you have. On the left hand side, you see a toolbar. Go to the toolbar, go to uploads, and upload your files. You can directly upload files from your device. Canva also supports drag and drop. You can go to your device, you can select a file and drag it here, and you'll see the file has been uploaded. You can upload images, videos, and audios. They are separated here by their category. Make sure your files are within the supported formats. Go to apps and look for Google Drive. Select Google Drive, we'll select open the app, and it will open the app in our dashboard. Click on connect, give it permission, continue, and open Canva. And there we have it. The Google Drive have been integrated. We can use files from our Google Drive directly into our project. I don't have any files in my Google Drive, that's why it's not showing any files here. This is a game changer when collaborating with clients or teams. No need to download and re-upload files. You can simply just connect your drive to theirs and use all the assets that you want straight into your projects. Go to projects, go to folders, and you can see upload folder right here. When we start a new project, we go add new, click folder, and give the folder a name. Organizing folders in Canva. And there we have it. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our projects, go to uploads, and select all the files that are for that project. You can also go to organizing, add designs, and projects, and we can select all the files that we want from here. Now let's talk about brand kit. What is brand kit? The brand kit is basically everything that is related to your brand. Let's say I have a clothing brand, I have a YouTube channel, I have a digital brand, whatever I have. I'll go to brand kit and I will upload the logo for that brand. I'll add the color scheme for that brand. I'll add the fonts for that brand here. I'll add voice. I can add it to here. I can use photos, videos, graphics. I can all the details about my brand. I can straight up upload here.
We can then go to our canvas and use the brand kit in our projects. It makes life much simpler.
While uploading your assets to Canva, there are certain things that you should keep in mind. Canva has a limited file size. You can upload for basic Canva subscription, it's 500 MBs. For a Canva Pro, you can upload larger files. You should always rename your files before uploading to your Canva, so it is easier for you to look through them in your Canva interface. Avoid uploading duplicates because Canva only gives you a limited space depending on what subscription you have. For a Canva Pro, you only get 1 terabyte. Canva also supports background removal, but it is a Canva Pro feature. So now you know how to upload your files from your device, connect cloud drives, organize files, and use your personal brand assets like a pro inside Canva. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to Zen's Digital Lab, and comment below. Comment below what will you upload first. See you in the next video.